so welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Praise and I hope you guys are doing great. So I shared with you all the things that I love to drink, and I am back. I want to share with you what I didn't share before. All right, and I didn't share that because I drink herbal teas more than any other tea. So, and those teas you can literally drink them anytime you want within your fasting window or in your eating window. You can drink them because there's no sugar in them. It's just a herbal tea. So yeah, I can drink those teas anytime I want, but there are other teas I drink as well, and that's what this video is about. I want to share with you guys all these other teas that I love to drink as well. And let's make a cup of tea. Oh, is it on? Wait, let's plug it. We forgot to plug it. So yeah, it's on right now. We are about to make a lovely cup of tea, and I hope you enjoy this video. So yes, I drink herbal teas because they are my favorite. I love them, but sometimes I really just want a regular tea. I mean, come on, I live in England, okay? And everybody who lives in England knows that tea is like everything. And yeah, it's a regular tea. I drink regular tea. So we're going to make a regular cup of tea. And the difference between my tea is that I don't put sugar in it. Okay, so let's make a cup of tea. I have here my hot water. Apparently, if you're making tea, you're supposed to let it wait a little bit, but we ain't got time for that. And then you pour. So we're gonna pour it straight in. Okay. So yeah, I actually do drink regular tea, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna get a spoon. Okay. So let that tea brew. This is Earl Grey tea. It's my favorite tea to drink. Yeah. So I do drink regular tea like this one. Right now it's it's actually, I think I drink as much of this tea as I do with my herbal teas as well. I probably would have like 2 cups of this every day. Yeah, I do drink tea. And winter is here, so you know, I know everybody's about to step up with their tea game. I know I already have. Anyway, so there's my tea brewing. I do use regular milk as well, guys. Yeah, it's gotta be organic though. I try to buy only organic. Yeah, but don't worry, if I come to your house and you don't have organic milk, I will still drink your tea. Just don't put any sugar in it. So I don't drink my tea with sugar. I have a, yeah, like that. I know you're like, Barry. But if you put sugar in your tea, you can't drink it in your fasting window. You're gonna have to drink it maybe during your eating window. Definitely it has to be during your eating window, and drink it close to your meal time. All right. So if you drink this with the milk and then you add some sugars in there, it will break your fast. All right. So I don't drink it. I do drink this as it is as well, like that, with nothing else in it, and I can drink it within my fasting window. Yeah. So yeah, and then let's add a little bit of milk, because I know a lot of you like to add some milk in your tea. I do too. So well, let's add some milk in there. Usually it's just a little drop, really. So yes, I do add a little milk sometimes during my fasting window. Just a little drop, come on, just a little bit. So yes, there you go, our tea is ready. It is so hot, but I'm gonna try it for you anyway. I drink hot tea, okay? Don't give me any cold tea. No, I drink hot tea. So let's try that. Oh, see, I think it's the warmth of it. For me, it's not, tea is not even about the I like drinking tea without too much milk, so I can still taste the, you know, the tea, you know what I mean? But the thing is the warmth of it, just to keep you warm. And okay, enough of tea. Yes, I do drink regular tea. Now that our kettle is still warm, what else do I drink apart from tea? Yes, I'm gonna drink all these teas I'm making right now. You know, I'm not just gonna throw them off. So apart from tea, I do also drink coffee. Yeah, regular coffee, by the way. Okay, so we're gonna make coffee. Yeah, there's my, oh, And coffee as well, right? What I love is the smell, and I love drinking it first thing in the morning. Sometimes if I'm not drinking the ginger tea, sometimes I just crave for coffee in the morning. So you can drink this without any sugars, just like the tea. If you're gonna drink the tea, don't put any sugar in it. All right, if you are in your fasting window, don't put any sugar in it. But if you are not in your fasting window, you can drink it with sugar when close to your meal time, like when you just finish eating, you just want a cup of tea. Yeah, then you can add a little sugar. But for me, I don't drink tea with sugar anyway, because the sugar is just another extra, you know. So here is my coffee, and now we're gonna add some water. All right, I love to drink this as it is in the morning, just the coffee like this. All right, you can make it concentrated, not if you want, yes, but I like it like that. All right, and I can drink it in the morning as it is, just like that. Yeah, without any sugar in it, just the coffee and water. It's not gonna break your fast or anything. All right, so you can drink that as well. And if it's within your eating window, you can go ahead and add a little milk to it if you want, right? Yeah, just a little bit of milk, and add a little bit of milk. I'm making mess here. There you have it, and that's your coffee ready. I know my coffee probably tastes the worst because there's no particular special way of making it. I just make it anyhow I like it. Anyway, so let's drink. Oh, I love me hot tea. Hot tea, hot coffee, hot herbal tea, anything goes as long as it's hot. So I like tea, I like to drink coffee as well. If it's not your fasting, if you're within your fasting window, no, you can't put any sugar in it. You're gonna have to drink it like that. Without any sugar. And by the way, if I do use sugar, it is this sugar right here. This is the sugar I use. All right, what is this called now? Coconut sugar. I've been eating this sugar like let me say over 10 years now. Yeah, so if sometimes I feel like maybe I add a little sugar in my coffee, you know, I do. Then it's not a spoonful, it's like a quarter or just a little drop. I cannot take tea with not even one sugar. It's too much for me. It just makes me feel sickly because I'm not used to it. I've not been drinking tea with sugar for like oh my god, about 18 years. Yeah. I haven't. I'd rather have my tea like this, right, with no sugar and a little biscuit next to it, maybe 1 or 2 biscuits next to it. So I'll drink my tea with especially if you have those sugar biscuits that are sweet. I heard somebody commented that they're struggling to do the intermittent fasting because they drink too much tea and biscuit, right? What? Anyway, why don't you just make it one biscuit or 2 biscuits? Yeah, how many biscuits do you eat? That's the question though. Is it like a whole bunch of biscuits? Because if it's just 1 or 2 and it's around your meal time, yeah, you should be fine. Sometimes I do that. Okay, like I'll have my tea, there's no sugar in there, just a tea with milk, a little bit of milk, and that's it really. And then I'll have a little biscuit next to it, and then I'll take a bite of my biscuit and then drink my tea. Because if the biscuit is a little bit sweet, you're not gonna, the tea, if you hate drinking tea without sugar and your biscuit is sweet, I think it's gonna make your tea taste sweet anyway, right? Anyway, so where are we? I also like to drink hot chocolate sometimes. I think it's the thing I drink the least. I do like hot chocolate, but when it comes to hot chocolate, I actually don't drink it as much at all. Alright, so I have to quickly go get something, and guess what? This thing is annoying me. There's a little mess on the table. Alright, so I do like to drink hot chocolate as well, but I always make it with what do you call it? Cacao powder. I don't like to buy the pre-packed hot chocolates because they add so much sugar in there. Like, you know, the pre-made already hot chocolate, they always add so much sugar. So what I do, because I like to do my hot chocolate with cacao powder, is the one that I have in here. All right, cacao powder, and then I add some milk to it. I'll show you guys how you can make a nice delicious hot chocolate with a lot less sugar and things like that, and it will still taste very nice. All right, I'll make that video for you guys. But yeah, And by the way, some of you gonna be like, oh, Praise, do you? I'm about to show you something. You're gonna be like, Praise, really? Do you? Yes, I do drink a little bit of wine sometimes. Here you go. I'm not gonna pour this because, you know, I'm not about to drink this right now. I don't drink it all the time. I drink it every now and then. Mostly it's like maybe a weekend or so, or maybe if there's a party going on or something, which I hardly do go anyway. I hardly go anywhere. Anyway, so I do drink it sometimes, you know, just to relax with my husband, you know, and then I'll maybe drink a little bit of wine and things like that. I'm not gonna open it now, but now you know I do drink wine. Yeah. I do drink alcohol. By the way, the more I drink wine around my mealtime, all right, you guys know I do cheat sometimes, right? That'll be another video. But the day that I'm very serious, obviously, I do drink. If I'm gonna drink wine, it will be around my eating window and around my meal time. That will be the best time to drink it. Just maybe you just finish your meal or with your meal. So drink it with your meal, around your meal time. Don't drink that on your fasting, within your fasting window. Anyway, so yeah, now you know I do drink. Yeah, I also drink espresso as well, guys. Yeah, you know what espresso is. Still, all of these without sugar. So all right, so there you have it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, dear. Bye. Mwah.